Did you know that Toyota, initially founded as a textile business by Kiichiro Toyoda's father, Sakichi Toyoda, transitioned to automobile manufacturing in 1937? This marked the beginning of Toyota's journey as a leading global automaker. Did you know that the Toyota Corolla, introduced in 1966, is not only the best-selling car in the world, but has also become a symbol of reliability and efficiency, with over 50 million units sold globally? It has become a staple in the automotive industry, appealing to a diverse range of drivers. Did you know that Toyota is a pioneer in manufacturing processes? With the introduction of the just-in-time production system, a method that minimizes waste and enhances efficiency? This innovative approach aims to minimize waste by producing vehicles based on actual customer demand, thereby reducing inventory costs and enhancing overall efficiency. Did you know the Toyota Prius, launched in 1997, was one of the first mass-produced hybrid cars, contributing significantly to the popularization of hybrid technology and showcasing Toyota's commitment to environmental sustainability? Did you know that Lexus, Toyota's luxury division established in 1989, has consistently been recognized for its high-quality craftsmanship and innovative features, competing with established luxury brands worldwide? Lexus has successfully positioned itself as a formidable competitor in the global luxury automobile market, challenging established luxury brands. The brand is known for its commitment to delivering a premium driving experience, combining advanced technology, meticulous attention to detail, and a focus on luxury and performance. Did you know that the Toyota Land Cruiser, introduced in 1951, is celebrated for its off-road capabilities and durability? Becoming one of the longest-running vehicle models globally, it is renowned for its ruggedness and reliability. The Land Cruiser has earned a strong reputation as a go-anywhere, do-anything vehicle, making it a favorite among off-road enthusiasts and adventurers worldwide. Did you know Toyota ventured into hydrogen fuel cell technology with the Mirai, one of the first commercially available fuel cell vehicles? The Mirai, introduced in 2014, showcases Toyota's commitment to exploring alternative eco-friendly technologies beyond traditional gasoline and hybrid options. Did you know that Toyota has a rich history in motorsports, achieving success in events like the 24 Hours of Le Mans and the World Rally Championship, WRC? This involvement in motorsports not only showcases the brand's performance prowess, but also allows Toyota to push the boundaries of automotive technology and innovation. Notably, Toyota Gazoo Racing, the brand's racing division, has been instrumental in these achievements, contributing to Toyota's reputation as a competitive force in the world of motorsports. Did you know that the Toyota Camry, introduced in 1982, has consistently been one of the best-selling cars in the United States, known for its reliability, fuel efficiency, and practicality? The Camry has maintained its popularity among consumers for decades. Its success is a testament to Toyota's commitment to producing vehicles that meet the needs of a wide range of drivers, combining durability with everyday usability. Did you know that Toyota is deeply committed to sustainability, evident in initiatives like the Toyota Environmental Challenge 2050, which aims to reduce the environmental impact of its vehicles and manufacturing processes? The challenge reflects Toyota's dedication to addressing environmental challenges such as carbon emissions, resource conservation, and promoting the development and adoption of eco-friendly technologies. It showcases Toyota's commitment to being a responsible and environmentally conscious automaker for the future. Did you know that the Toyota logo features 3 ellipses, symbolizing the unification of the hearts of its customers and the heart of Toyota products, representing mutual trust between the company and its customers? It emphasizes the idea of unity and shared values and visual representation of Toyota's commitment to building lasting relationships and fostering trust with its customer base. Did you know that Toyota has played a significant role in developing autonomous and connected vehicle technologies, shaping the future of transportation with a focus on safety and convenience? From features like advanced driver assistance systems to investments in connected car technologies, Toyota's contributions align with the industry's broader efforts to create safer, more efficient, and technologically advanced modes of transportation. Did you know that the Toyota Tacoma is a popular mid-size pickup truck known for its durability and off-road capabilities, making it a favorite among truck enthusiasts and outdoor adventurers? Its rugged design, reliable performance, versatility, and ability to handle challenging off-road terrains have contributed to its popularity, making it a favorite choice for those seeking a robust and adventure-ready pickup truck. Did you know that the Toyota RAV4, introduced in 1994, pioneered the compact crossover SUV segment, influencing the design of SUVs for years to come? The success of the RAV4 has had a lasting impact, influencing the design and popularity of compact SUVs in the years that followed. Its innovative approach to combining versatility, fuel efficiency, and a smaller footprint has contributed to the widespread appeal of compact crossovers in the automotive market. Did you know that the Toyota Hilux, a robust pickup truck, gained fame for its toughness and durability, often showcased in various extreme conditions globally, including appearances on the TV show Top Gear? Notably, the Hilux's durability was highlighted in the popular TV show Top Gear, where it undertook demanding tests to demonstrate its ruggedness. These appearances have solidified the Hilux's reputation as a reliable and resilient vehicle, making it a popular choice for drivers who require a tough and dependable pickup truck. Did you know that Toyota actively engages in community outreach and philanthropy through initiatives like the Toyota USA Foundation, supporting education and environmental programs in communities where it operates? Toyota demonstrates its commitment to being a responsible corporate citizen and making a positive impact on the communities it serves. Did you know that Toyota has a history of collaborating with other automakers and industries, fostering innovation and sharing expertise, as seen in partnerships with companies like Subaru for joint vehicle development? By engaging in such collaborations, Toyota demonstrates a commitment to embracing new ideas and approaches, ultimately fostering innovation within the automotive industry. Did you know that Toyota consistently ranks high in reliability and longevity, with many of its models known for their ability to clock high mileage, contributing to the brand's reputation for building dependable vehicles? The brand's commitment to quality manufacturing and engineering has led to vehicles that not only withstand the test of time, but also maintain their performance and reliability over many miles, earning the trust and loyalty of a broad range of drivers. Follow, like, and subscribe for more interesting facts.